Hey.
Hey, you made it.
Yeah, I was lucky.
Hey, how come you've got your bag?
Because it's mine.
In case of a fire, you're not meant to take anything? It's for your own safety and mine.
What's happened? What are we talking about?
Jake took his backpack. In case of a fire, you're not meant to grab anything?
It's only a bag.
He's right. You're gonna have to go and put your bag back inside, Jake. It wouldn't be fair to everyone else who obeyed the rules and didn't take their bag.
What?
Come on.
You do realise there could be a fire in there?
We'll just be quick then.
No way.
So what, you're not a team player?
What has that got to do with it?
Everything. Modern society was built on teamwork. Look at the pyramids. They weren't made by one guy with a bad attitude.
No, they were built by slaves. Look, all right, fine. I'll go and put it back inside. Do you want to come with me?
No, I burn easily.
It's funny.
Could you get my phone when you're in there? Thanks for being a team player. This isn't mine.